It's H8 painting day. The front seems fine. The top seems fine. The side pieces seem fine. The sides of the disk drive enclosure, I don't think were warm enough when I painted them. The paint ran a little bit on this one. This one's okay, I think. It hasn't quite dried yet. But this one didn't turn out so good. I'm going to have to sand that and redo it again, which is fine because I used too rough a grit of sandpaper when I was preparing the surface anyway, and you can still see the marks. So those will have to be redone. But I think everything else looks fine. The sides certainly look far better than they did. They had great big scratches out of them, and those sides are white underneath of the paint, so it shows really bad when they get screwed up. But yeah, I think it'll be fine. I'm going to put another coat on the front. You can still just barely see some of those scratches that were under there, so I'm going to give it a light sanding tomorrow again after it's set for a while and redo the front, because that's what you have to look at. I think it'll be fine, and redo those. Alright, that's all for now. Bye.